At Embedded World 2025, Longsys is showcasing high reliability storage solutions for industrial and automotive markets. For industry, we highlight DDR5 DIMMs, high capacity SATA SSDs, for example up to 4 terabyte, and also PCIe Generation 4 SSDs, which are designed for extreme conditions. In automotive, we feature flash and DRAM storage, including low-power DDR4X or UFS. They are compliant with AEC-Q 100 standards. And we also show our next-generation surveillance SSDs for up to 24 channels of 1080p video. These solutions addresses the evolving needs of smart manufacturing and advanced automotive systems. At Embedded World 2025, Longsys showcases how our PTM model, which stands for Product, Technology and Manufacturing, enables tailored storage solutions for industrial and automotive sectors. We offer multi-dimensional customizations of SSDs and DIMMs, optimizing form factors, firmware and performance. With rigorous quality control and a failure rate below 5 ppm, we ensure high performance, reliable storage that meets the specific needs of over 20 automotive brands and hundreds of vehicle models globally. Longsys is expanding globally through localized services and resilient manufacturing facilities in Suzhou in China, in Brazil, in South America, as well as in Songshan in China. We engage with industrial leaders at events like Embedded World in Nuremberg, for example, and also the CES in Las Vegas. We are collaborating across automotive, industrial and AI sectors. By investing in R&D and full-stack customization, Longsys aims to lead in high performance, in reliable embedded storage solutions, also supporting digital transformation in automotive, industrial automation, as well as IoT.